Hello and welcome back. Once again, I'm sorry to say that Julie cannot join us today. She just wasn't able to make it in today to help us with our craft, but she did send a really cool craft for us to do today. If you picked up your packet, it is for the one for today. That is 2/16, that is February 16th. And you'll have several pieces of paper in it. So if you want to go ahead and take all those papers out, you'll have a colored piece of paper like this, like blue. I think some of them might be purple, but it's this color paper. And then you want to have a plain piece of paper, 2 squares, 2 half circles, 3 different size circles, 2 yellow squares, 2 little white rectangles, some various green triangles, and various stars. Now, what we're going to make is a winter scene. And the way we're going to do that, we're going to start with our white piece of paper, and we're going to fold it like a fan. Now, hi Everett, hi Van, Daisy, Remy, Everly, it's good to see you back. So the way you do a fan is you can fold it one way. There's several ways you can do it. I like to do it this way. We turn the paper over and then go the other direction. Turn it over and do the other direction. Or you can actually hold it and just go back and the other way. But again, I like to turn it. You can do it up and down this way. You just want to go back and forward. That's the general idea when you make a fan. Now, a lot of times if you're in Mr. Cox's classes, we'll make a lot of things with fans too. We'll make frog legs and we'll make elephants, but this is a little different. So you make it looks like an accordion. You know what an accordion is? It plays music like this. So anyway, you're going to fold it so it looks like this, like a big crinkle cut French fry. And then you're going to fold that whole thing in half, like so. And the middle parts, you're going to take this side and this side with our glue. I forgot to mention you will need glue today and crayons besides what's in the packet. Put some glue on that piece of paper. Stick those two together. So it looks a little bit like that. Makes a nice fan. Okay. If you have questions as we're going along, you can send those in. And then you're going to take your colored piece of paper, and along the bottom or the back part, let's do the fan. On the back part of your fan, put glue all over that. Alright, let's see what part. And then you're going to take the part that is up, facing up like this, and you're going to place it onto your blue paper. Now, as you can tell, it's probably better if you wait till it dries a little bit, but I'm going to do this first so we can let it dry as we are doing our next part. You can even fold it up a little bit like this to get the glue right into the right place. That way it'll fan out looking something like that. Everybody okay so far? This is the most difficult part of the whole thing. So once you have your fan glued inside your paper, then we're going to set it aside and let it dry. While it's drying, we're going to decorate certain parts to go onto our house. Now these little blue squares will be our house. And our house will have 2 little windows. Now with the windows, we can make a window frame by drawing an X on it. So just draw an X on both of them. And put a little glue on the back of your yellow X and place it on the side of your house, so your house has a little window. So those are our 2 houses with windows. Now this will be the roof, but we'll put that on when we put it onto the paper, so that way we can actually glue that to the back of the paper there. Alright, and then with your green pieces of paper, this is your tree. Now with your tree, you can just put like a branch in the middle, and you can fan it off in different directions to just make it a little more dimensional, like a tree. Do it on both sides because this craft is like a 3D craft, which means that you can see it from different sections. Hi, Luciella. Thanks for coming back. And so you want to decorate your trees. I'm going to do a couple trees really quickly here. This is good for a winter scene. But if it were around Christmas time, you can make a Christmas scene out of it as well. So just kind of decorate your trees a little bit there with branches on them. I just did them with really quick little branches. Okay, and then you have 3 round circles. What do you think we can make with those 3 round circles? Right, we could probably make a snowman. So your snowman, the little part's going to be the face. So you can make his little eyes and maybe a stick mouth. I think I'm going to use orange to give him a carrot nose. And make a little face on there. Once again, we're going to wait till we get to the actual gluing onto the paper there. And then you have all these little stars. Oh, and then these are your chimneys for your house. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the parts with the houses. The house, you want to take your house that has the window on it already glued. Put some glue on the back of the house. And place it on however you would like to onto the blue piece of paper. Along the white, because that's kind of like where the ground is. I'll put one on each side of the display here. And now let's put the roof on. The roof is covered with snow. Just put a little glue on it and then put it on top, just like where the roof would go on a house. And then you can find your little chimney pieces that are also covered with snow. And just kind of put them on top of the roof someplace. Behind the roof a little bit, peeking out. Need to slide this one down just a little bit. There we go. Put that one right on top. Alright, so now we have the 2 houses ready. Let's go ahead and we could do the snowman now. Now the snowman, I did make a mistake. We do want to, we can make it first and then put it on there. But you can go put some buttons on the middle part, so your snowman has buttons. Or you can decorate it however you like. If you would like to take the time, you could put some clothes and put a scarf or whatever you would like to on him. But you're going to put a little glue on the big circle at the top. And glue the middle piece onto it. And the same thing for the top. Glue the head to the top. We have our little snowman ready to go. And let's put him in the grooves that we made with our fan. That is like the different little hills and valleys and things, the piles of snow. So put a little glue, let's see, where we put him right there, on the front of the snowman, or the back, depends on which groove you put him in. And just press him up against there. So there's our snowman outside the house. And then we have various trees. Now the trees will do the same thing. Just put a little glue at the bottom. It doesn't matter which side. And then you find an area on your fan that you want to put a tree. Let me put one right here close to the house. Now I'm doing this really quickly, but you can take your time and do this. You can decorate your trees, make them look a little better than what I did here. I just drew some quick branches on them so you can show you what they look like. And let's put another tree right here is good. So we have our house, our snowman, and our trees. And then you have these several stars that you can use. Now, of course, the stars, we're going to put them in the sky. So that also tells it's not only is it a winter time, but it's also winter at nighttime. So take your stars, just put a little bit of glue on each one, and put them throughout your nighttime sky. You don't have to use them all. If you just want to have one wishing star, you can do that. This is totally up to you. I'm only going to use a few stars across here though. Now if it was Christmas time, you could put that star at the top of the Christmas tree. But you could still do that if you'd like. But for right now, I'm just going to make a nice winter scene with the stars throughout the sky. Some of them may have more stars than, this one has several stars with it, so I'm only going to use this many. And I need to fix that a little bit. That's okay. But that's what it turns out to look like. You made your snow scene by folding a piece of paper into a fan, and with the fan, you fold it in half, and then you glue the back to the back, to the back of this blue paper, and you glue the middle together, and that makes your fan scene. And then to decorate your scene, you insert the houses, the trees, the snowman, and the stars. Thanks for stopping by again for this craft. If you haven't picked this up yet, it will be available towards the end of the week, I believe. And you can do this at home, or actually, you could take your time and you can figure out, you can make one at your home if you have construction paper and paper at your house to make your own. So thank you guys. We'll see you next week.